May it please your lordship.
Yes.
So item number 39, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item 39. I have to file my affidavit in this matter, lordship. I'm seeking 2 weeks' time. 39, with the consent of the other side, lordship.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner company. Lordship, in this matter, service in respect of respondent number 3 has not been completed. Lordship, a fresh direction may be given to take fresh steps, Your Lordship.
For respondent number,
3, private respondent.
Mr.
A. Sharma, for
Yes,
respondent
sir,
number 2.
Land Council for respondent number 2. Press for and granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit.
Affidavit in opposition.
NN Datta.
And then Dr. Land Council for the petitioner is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number
3.
3.
Your
List,
Lordship,
list after 2 weeks.
via email as well, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Via email as well, Your Lordship.
Oblige.
Is it permissible?
On the first date, Your Lordship, we were allowed to take fresh steps via email as well, Your Lordship.
Steps by speed post as well as and via email.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? And at item number 6, Lordship, matter become infructuous, Lordship, maybe closed, Lordship.
Okay, Mr. M. Khan, Land Council for the petition submits that its writ petition has become in process. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of as in process. 6.
May I please your lordship, with the consent of the petitioner,
Dispose of on having been become in process.
may I please your lordship, with the consent of the petitioner, I beg to mention item number 48. Lordship, I have appeared on behalf of respondent number 6. Today we have filed Ukalatnama. I need 4 weeks time to file our objection, lordship.
You are for?
Respondent number 6.
Okay, have you taken consent?
Yes, lordship.
MS
R. Kakoti.
Arkakoti Learning Council submits for respondent number
6.
6. Fresh for listing of the matter after 3 weeks for filing affidavit
Affidavit of
in opposition. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks.
Please, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. I said
Item
3
number
weeks.
13 and
3 weeks.
14. 13 and 14. Maybe hard after vacation, Your Lordship.
13 and 14.
My lord.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. R.M. Chaudhary,
My lord.
then the council for the petitioner. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Aye.
Same order, 13, 14, huh? Separate but same order.
Ah,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with regards to item number 12 of the daily list, your lordship, we circulated an adjournment request, your lordship, with the consent of the petitioners. Lordship, I would kindly pray for this matter to come up after vacation, your lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
T. Kashyap, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary.
T. Kashyap, Learned Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. K. N. Chaudhary, Learned Senior Council for respondent number 4. Huh?
Respondent for your lordship.
List this matter after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention item 35, Lordship,
13,
35.
35.
Lordship, this matter.
Yes.
I mean, Texas, Lordship.
In process,
Yes, Lordship.
Mr.
A. Islam.
Islam, Learned Council for the petition submits that the writ petition has become in process. Accordingly, writ petition disposed of on having been become in process.
May I please, Lordship? Item 33, Lordship.
Hmm.
A matter is, service is over, madam. May I come on admission, kala.
Service is over means
Madam,
you are for?
I'm for the petitioner. On behalf of VK Purkas.
I don't know.
I've gone through the file.
33.
Sorry.
Okay. Service in respect of respond number?
Yes,
Respond number?
2.
2 is complete. Huh? Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council for the petition is present. List the matter for admission after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
My lordship, with the concept from the other side, I beg to mention item number 28. Your lordship.
Yes,
So, Mr. S. Bottom has some difficulties to proceed with the matter today, your lordship.
you are,
Let this matter be taken up after vacation, your lordship.
you are for?
Petitioner, your lordship.
Mr.
S. Bothakur.
S.
Bothakur.
Borthakur. You are S. Borthakur.
No, I'm on behalf of.
Mr. So-and-so, Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Borthakur, Learned Council for the petition.
Come after
press for a listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Huh?
After the Bihu vacations, Lordship.
4 weeks? 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Right, please, your lordship, which I beg to mention item number 17, your lordship.
17.
Your lordship.
Yes.
So, the matter for the day,
On the prayer of MS?
M. Medhi, lordship.
Huh?
M. Medhi,
M. Mehdi for?
I. Hussain.
Huh?
On behalf of Mr. I. Hussain.
Hearing on behalf of Mr. I. Hussain, Land Council for the petitioner. This matter after
Obliged.
4 weeks.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, regarding item number 32.
32.
Protected counsel is out of session. So kindly taken up the matter after.
On the
petition.
prayer of Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
My lord, I have to mention item number 29, my lord. My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw the petition. I have the instruction, my lord.
Mr.
A. Ali.
A. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition. Therefore, phrase for disposal,
My lord.
closing, disposal of.
Liberty may be granted if necessary, my lord.
With a no, in that case, phrase for, as an instruction under the writ petition with a liberty to file afresh. Therefore, phrase for listing of, disposal of the. No, not therefore, withdraw. Accordingly, the writ petition is, stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as per.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I would like to mention item number 21 of the daily list.
21,
21.
yes. Holiday, yes. What do you want?
The content causing an out situation.
When? On the prayer, Mr.
Amit Goel.
So-and-so appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Goel, Land Council for this matter after 3 weeks. 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number, my lord, 5, my lord. Then list, my lord. In this matter, my lord, I am for the respondent number 6. I shall file my affidavit in position, my lord. That's all.
Item 5,
Lordship.
Mr.
P.U. Laskar.
Q. Laskar, Land Council for the appearing for respondent number 6, submits that you may be granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Praise the Lord. List after 3 weeks.
Like. Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 and 4. For the respondent on 9, Lordship, with consent of other side. After 3 weeks, Lordship.
You are Mr.
K. Islam, respondent number 9.
Okay, 3 and 4.
And
On the prayer of Mr. K. Islam, Land Council for the respondent, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, this matter may be taken after some time, Lordship. My instruction is coming, Lordship. After some time, I will
After
just.
some-
My lord, the grievance of the petitioner in this case has been met, so the matter has become in progress.
Mr. So-and-so, Land Council for the petitioner submits that the grievance of the petitioner has been redressed. In view of, the petition stands closed.
Obliged, your lord.
Has become, on having been become in process.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Cancellation or registration of the petitioner. And lordship, due to non-filing of GST return for 6 months. But recently, lordship, the petitioner has updated his liabilities. Lordship, this matter is also covered by your order, lordship. Only factual differences are there, but the issues are same, lordship.
Yes,
May I show you?
disposal.
Lordship.
Had MS
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, Land Council for the petitioner. So be that. So be that, judgment,
Yeah.
order. And also had Mr.
K. Jain on behalf of Mr. S. C.
K. Land Council for the Respondents.
Lordship.
Lordship, in that matter, Lordship, order in appeal was preferred. Appeal was preferred.
It was also rejected.
Yes,
It
Lordship.
has been rejected. Appeal has been rejected.
Yes, Lordship. But here, appeal is not preferred because of time. It is also time barred, Lordship.
Yeah. You just, where is that impugn order cancellation?
Cancellation, Lordship,
Page 15, Lordship.
page 15.
Challenge made in this writ petition is to the communication oblique orders dated 04/03/2025, passed by the superintendent. Superintendent of what? GST?
Lordship.
Lordship, GST.
GST
Naharkatia range.
Naharkatia range. Whereby the GST registration of the petitioner has been cancelled. Huh? Mr. Having considered the issue involved in writ petition, similar issues, no, similar matter has been disposed of by this court and as agreed to by learned counsel for the parties. This writ petition is disposed of at the motion stage. Huh? Mr. If it is, it's here, is the similar. The petitioner is engaged in the business of execution of works contract in the name and style of MS Mohan Electromech, a proprietorship firm. List of the petitioner is a registered SAC, under the provisions of GST, CGST Act 2017, Assam Goods and Services Tax 2017, bearing GST registration number 18 BFU PM 1376 K17, para 3, huh? Next para. The petitioner claims that that he used to comply with the provisions of the 11 Act and 11 Act and Rules by discharging his tax liabilities as and when it is, as and when due, huh? It's not. Next para. Due to non-filing of GST returns for a continuous period of 6 months, the petitioner was served with a so-called notice dated 07/10/2024, whereby the petitioner was directed to furnish the reply within 30 days from the date of notice and to appear for personal hearing Mr. By the said notice, the GST registration of the petition was suspended with effect from 07/10/2024. Huh? Thereafter, the GST registration of the petitioner was cancelled by the impugn order of communication of the order dated 04/03/2025. Next paragraph. It is the contention of the land council for the petitioner. No, land council, it is the contention of the petitioner that the petitioner is not much conversant with the provisions of GST online portal during the relevant period of time. There was a, and during the relevant period of time, there was a miscommunication between the petitioner and his tax consultant, for which he could not visit the GST portal for a few weeks. List of the moment, no, when the list of, continue, when the petitioner received the so-called notice, the time for filing reply and personal hearing was already over. Mr. The petitioner has updated his GST returns quarterly up to October to December 2024, as allowed by the GST portal, and would and desirous of desirous to continue with his business again. It is the Miss MS So-and-so, land counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner had made an attempt to had attempted to file necessary application seeking revocation of the cancellation of his GST registration. However, same could not be filed as the time prescribed for, the limitation prescribed for filing of revocation application had also elapsed. Mr. C submits that the order of cancellation of registration by an impugn communication of the order, the 04/03, is not sustainable in view of the fact that the petitioner has complied with all the requirements of defaults by updating all returns, all the quarterly up to October to December 2024. Therefore, petitioner is entitled. Petitioner, and therefore the registration, the GST cancellation of registration may be directed to be revoked, huh? Mr. So-and-so learned counsel submits that in view of the order passed by this court in a similar matter, he would not have any objection if the same relief is granted to the petitioner. Mr. Had considered the submissions of learned counsel to the parties and also perused the judgment in order dated. No, is this? Perused the order dated 26/11/2025, 25 passed by this court. This court, having considered the case of Dirgat Hardware Stores, versus Union of India in WPC number 5944 of 2025. Dispose of the similar nature of the matter being Mr. Masuk Ahmad Burbuya versus Union of India in WPC 6674 of 2025. The relevant paragraph is reproduced here in the para 10, Then next paragraph. Para 10, then having considered that this court, relying on the case of Dirgat Hardware Stores, Supra, which is a similar case on facts and law, No. Yes, sir. Next paragraph. Having perused the judgment and order in Dirgat Hardware Stores, and so in this other one, Mr. Masuk Ahmad Burbuya, Supra. This court is of the view that the facts, the issue involved in this petition is similar on both on facts and law. Christoph does above the considered view that the above judgment on order would squarely cover the case of the present petitioner, and as such, similar relief is deserved to be provided to the petitioner. Next paragraph. In view of the above, and the considered view that petitioner be provided with similar relief. No. Deserve to be provided similar relief, Mr. accordingly, para 13. 13, 14 is this. That's the stage disposal.
Quickly observe.
Much of like.
1043.
Let your worship.
Yes.
Removal of the elected member without hearing anything, without giving any opportunity to them.
You have made it before,
No, your lordship, kindly my certificate.
before
kindly come-
attaining the majority.
My lord, come to page 14 first, my lord.
You will issue notice. You have been already
No, but even.
disqualified.
It is a case for, my lord, I am elected member, I am discharging my duty till.
No,
today.
you have been already disqualified.
No.
You have been already removed. Where is the impugn order?
Kindly see the order, your lord.
Where is the impugn order?
Now,
Please.
first kindly see my page 14. Let me see your, so my age kindly see, madam. High school,
It is, sir.
page 14.
Yes.
Page 14.
Hmm.
This is admit card. Your lordship, I am having admit card of the high school. Date of birth is 3/1/1960, 96. Then your lordship.
This
kindly
is
come to
what?
page-
Admit card.
Admit card, then 15, Board of Secondary Registration.
Where is the certificate?
Coming to that. Certificate is my school certificate. Certificate is page 17, your lordship will find. 17.
Wait a minute.
1396.
Huh?
Page 17. 17. Board of Secondary, my lord.
Ah,
If 17 is there, my lord, then age comes to 18 years.
10 months, 4 days.
18 years, 10 months, 4 days, my lord.
your date of birth in both these certificates is not tally. It doesn't
1/3,
tally.
1/3 certificate, my lord,
See, admit card page 14 is
3/1,
3rd January.
1st January,
3rd January.
3rd January.
And page 15 is also 3rd January.
Yeah.
Then
Then 17,
16 is
same,
3rd January. But 17 is
1396.
March. How can this be?
Even this is there, my lord, I am 18 years, 8 months.
Huh? 18 years, 8 months.
Yeah,
What?
yes, my lord.
At the time of filing the nomination.
No, at the final, at the date of my marriage.
Huh?
Question of marriage come, my lord.
Okay.
At the time of submitting nomination, I was 29 years, my lord.
29 years.
Yes, my
At
lord.
the time of marriage.
Marriage, no, at the time of nomination.
Then
At the time of,
of
I was more than 18 years.
what is the
This is certificate, this if you calculate.
why there is a different dates?
They did not hear me, my lord. How could I? Nothing, not even complaint was not given to me.
No, I'm just asking.
Now come
I'm
to see.
I'm little curious because you have showing a documents
Yeah,
who doesn't tally. Three of them, 3 documents, of course, tally. Tell it, but
Good.
then the third one, Board of Secondary School is a different certificate.
but certificate
This
is
of
date,
March,
date, my lord, 1/3, your lordship, there, sit first there.
031, 01,
Month.
03.
Month, my lord, that is, that I am.
Yes, then
Even then, my lord, then now come to my lord, that's here. In green order, my lord. Page 28.
what is 26?
Page
This
Page, a type copy, my lord.
25 is type copy.
A type copy.
Yes, then
Yes. Your lordship can type copy, your lordship can see, and the 28 also can see, my
Hmm.
both same, my lord. That is also quite legible, my lord. Let
where is
us-
a complaint petition dated received from
Complaint
Sri
dated once-
Hakimuddin alleging child marriage of Asha Khatun who had contested an on the panchayat election as ward member from first so and so. Yes,
Yeah. Now kindly come to my lord. From the above, your lordship can see date of birth of the Aisha Khatun, 1/3/96. They have written.
yes,
Date of birth of the Aisha Khatun, Aisha Khatun page 3/1/96. HSC admit card.
yes.
That even no problem. Date of birth of the first child, this is the problem arise here, my lord. First child, where from they got it, my lord, 6/1/13. I have given the birth and register certificate, my lord, my date of, my lord, that is page 21. How they got it, my lord? Kindly say page 21, my lord. Certificate of my first child. Birth certificate. The issue by the government.
thereafter they say, my lord, that from the above, it is evident that the so and so marriage before attaining legal age of so and so. My age is 18, more than 18 years at the time of marriage. Kabinnama is also there, that is marriage agreement. My lord. Then at no point, at no paragraph, no page, my lord, no line, where the complaint was given to me, any opportunity was given to me, nothing.
You're married on?
My marriage on 5/1 to 15. 15.
5/1.
5/1/15.
The inquiry officer has also reported marriage of Sri Asha Khatun took place prior to 2013 and not in 06/01.
Where from he came to the conclusion? I have been
From
heard.
where you are saying that it was 2015?
Marriage Kabinnama is there.
Where is this?
Government, your lords kindly see. Page 19. Page 19, my lord. It's a vernacular, and page 18, your lords will find this is type copy, my lord. That was a government appointed Qadi, my lord. Page 19. And page 18 is the vernacular, sorry, in the type copy.
This is also wrongly written. It should not be, it should be 0103. Your date of birth.
Madam, I am not on date of birth, either of the two, my lord, if you take, my lord. I am not on, either we take 3/1 or 1/3, it makes no difference so far.
Otherwise, no, it makes a difference.
No, age, even if it-
The authenticity
authentic, either, my lord, because
is
the
in,
board has issued it.
it's suspicious.
Board has issued, my lord. It is
Date
not
of
in
marriage.
dispute at all, my lord.
So,
Now, my question is, my lord, your lordship will find this is page 20.
there was an inquiry also.
Who said inquiry? Behind my back, my lord.
Inquiry can be
Yeah,
done.
my lord.
Of course, you should be given an opportunity. That
For
is
at least
different.
that has not
That
been
is
done.
consequence. But then there was an inquiry by the
That
officer.
inquiry will not do, my lord. Coordinate
Yes,
bench, my lord,
yes, who is
coordinate bench
appearing?
also pass order, my coordinate
Ah.
bench.
I have to take instruction, Lordship. Apparently, this was 21 and 22, page number 21 and
Yeah.
22. Both are issued on 30/10/2015.
Hmm.
Both the birth certificates were issued on 30/10, registered and issued on that date. Lordship, I have to take instruction on what basis they
This
have
is online,
taken.
it is available, my lord. Online available.
Date of registration is there, Lordship. That's why I'm saying, Lordship, both are date of
We got
registration
it
are
from
same.
Online, my lord.
Hmm?
Online,
Both
my
are
lord, this is-
registered on the same day. Both the birth certificate are registered on the same day.
If my
as per
age
this
is
document.
18 years above, my lord.
I have to obtain the instruction where from they got the 2013, Lordship, that's it.
Basically, my lord, completely violation of federal justice. Not even complaint copy was not given to me.
This was
How can I, my lord,
30/10,
what is
Lordship.
all this thing?
Date of registration is 30/10 only. So after 30/10, the
That is not-
registration,
that is
Lordship,
not content is
these
the-
documents, certificates are 30/10 of 2025.
Hmm.
And this, my officer says, the date of birth of first child as per certified copy of the birth certificate issued by registration number, but their registration number is also there. Dated 9/4/2013, where it is written 6/1/13 is the first child born. And their date of
What
marriage,
does it matter? What does it matter?
matter, Lordship, because
Only we have to see the birth,
Age of the-
age of the petitioner and then the date of marriage.
Yes.
the false declaration is also there, then if they,
So what is the false declaration? These are what?
I have to
Section 11, 1111
Yes,
is what?
kindly say, my lord.
Section 60 is amended followed by Rule 62.
Kindly say, my lord, this book. I'm.
Well, issue notice.
yes, sir,
You have been already removed.
yes.
My lord, that removal is a lost kindly say, coordinate bench already state this type similar, so many matters came, my lord.
Hmm?
So many matters, coordinate, so many cases are there in the coordinate. I have given one copy to your lordship, my lord. An elected person, my lord, can it be done like this? This is a rule of law. How they can go without anything, any opportunity, my lord? A person having elected, getting highest mark, highest vote, my lord. And they are symptom I don't say about.
This is what, this case was
Similarly, same. My lord.
marriage before
Sorry,
before attaining majority.
Yes, my lord.
Had Mr. H.R.H. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 09/12/2025, passed by the District Commissioner, Welfare, whereby the petitioner has been removed from 5 sir, removed as ward member.
As ward member.
Ward member from 5, page 26, 5 Sardar Bita, Tarangapur, GP ward constituency under Tarangapur Gaon Panchayat of Jaleshwar Anchalik. List of and on in terms of section 111 within bracket 1 bracket clause of Assam
Even
Panchayat
one, man, it should be 2. 1111 2, man. It should.
2A, Assam Panchayat Amendment Act 1994 as amended, and rules to 62 within bracket 4 small bracket small b bracket close and bracket small c bracket close of Assam Panchayat constitution within bracket close amended rules 1995. List of. It is the contention of learned counsel for the learned senior counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner's date of birth is 03/01/1996 and she had married on 05/01/2015 after attaining the age of majority. List of. It submits that the district commissioner has removed the petitioner without providing an opportunity to the petitioner that to merely on the complaint lodged by the private respondent number.
Private respondent number 6.
There is no
Private
private,
respondent.
there is no private respondent.
No, private respondent we
They
have
have
not made.
not made a party law.
No,
Why?
not necessarily matter, because private respondent, what are passed by
Is an
district
assistant-
commissioner. Oh, because we have not been given any copy, nothing at all.
The
Oh,
two on the
oh.
basis of the
Respondent of 4.
complaint lodged by one Sri Hakimuddin, simply alleging of child marriage against the petitioner. Therefore, he submits that apart from not violation of principle of natural justice, the factually the decision arrived at the impugn order has been issued based on factually incorrect materials. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. S.H. Chaudhary and
I'm as Dr. Miller for 1, 3, 5 and
As that, state,
Standing Council PNRD.
state council and standing council PNRD,
I'm for
appearance
respondent
and
four.
accept notice when we have all the respondents.
No, I am for respondent number 4.
Ah, both of you.
My
No
lord,
formal notice need be served. How
number
about
three,
extra
my lord.
copies be?
But respondent number 3, my lord, Standing Council is there. R. Dubey's name may be recorded.
Are the way then team standing? All the students, huh? Ali. Ali. No formal notice need be served. How about extra copies sent, huh? Be furnished. How on interim prayer, huh? Next prayer. The documents placed on record indicates that the petitioner, the date of birth of the petitioner, the documents placed on record by the petitioner, particularly what is the school certificate?
Yeah, school certificate is page 14, 15, or school certificate is page 17.
Particularly high school living certificate indicates that the date of birth of 0103 is 0103/1996. And then what do we call it? Kabin-nama.
Kabin-nama. Marriage.
And as per translated Kabin-nama, the petitioner was married on 05/01/2015. And if it is accepted, the petitioner had married after attaining the age of married after attaining the age of majority. And then attaining the age of major. Full stop. It is also no.
The date of registration doesn't have
The other aspect.
date of issue 30th.
No, not the others. It is also privacy indicates that no opportunity was provided to the opportunity of hearing was provided to the petitioner before the impugned order was passed by the district commissioner, removing the petitioner from the removing the petitioner as ward member from so and so, huh? The petitioner appears to be a duly elected ward member.
But now she has been elected also president of the government side, subsequent to that.
Considering above the considered view that the petition entitled to be provided with interim relief, accordingly, till the determinable date. The order dated 9/12/2025 passed by the district commissioner of Golfara shall remain suspended. That's all. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Obliged.
Extra copies may
Yes,
Yes, final.
during the course of the day.
Yes, he will give.
Please, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I am elected ward member, Your Lordship, of Shogunmari, Kapansat in Dhubri district. Your Lordship.
yes.
I scored the highest votes, Your Lordship, and where private respondent number 6 is the second highest, Your Lordship.
Ah,
But he filed a complaint in the District Commissioner Dhubri, Your Lordship, that my education documents certificate, which is eligible for a fake.
ah,
And on the basis of this issue, I was ousted,
ah,
disqualified
ah,
as a member
ah.
of that.
Yes.
Your Lordships.
Then,
The page number 16 and 17, Your Lordship.
what's the impugn order?
Impugn order is page number
21.
21.
An exhibit.
Yes, what is this? I did proceed.
I read, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Whereas a complaint petition was received from one Muspik Rahman alleging that Srimati Mitali Das, an elected member of ward number 7, Shogunmari Kapansat, has furnished false information regarding her education qualification in the affidavit submitted along with her nomination paper for the Panchayat Shogunmari. Whereas, according to the complaint, the certificate of education qualification submitted by Srimati Minati Das is fabricated and not genuine. Whereas the matter was duly inquired by so officer.
It has
As
been
per-
found that so-and-so, some certificate
report dated-
purportedly issued from Lokapriyo High School, Kadam,
Kadamtala, Pilashivara, dated 31st
which
December
is
of
not
22,
genuine.
by so-and-so is
Then
not a-
if it is not genuine,
Actually, the headmaster, present headmaster submitted the report that record is not available. And
Then
present headmaster
if
is
record
the
is not
father-in-law of the
available,
father-in-law of the private respondent number 6, Your Lordship.
they are a party here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Are they party here? Headmaster also.
I met the party, Your Lordship, the private respondent, Your Lordship, and the headmaster is the pro forma respondent, Your Lordship.
Who headmaster? The present headmaster.
Present headmaster is the father-in-law
Ah, is the present headmaster.
of the
Who is
private
in-
respondent number 6. So
who-
the candidate of who
With whom the
established-
records are available.
through RTI, Your Lordship, RTI is pending, Your Lordship, and after receipt of the result, I can produce it later on.
No, I'm asking, since you are alleging malafide sort of thing, you have to
While I was-
implicate the headmaster,
Lordship. While I was
the
studying-
present headmaster, not the earlier headmaster.
earlier
Present
headmaster
headmaster.
already expired, and at that time that school was not provincialized yet.
Ah, now,
Now present headmaster,
so if the headmaster, I mean, expired, the records goes with them or what? Record will be available in the school.
but that there is no
So
available.
you will have to implicate the present headmaster who said that there's no record and which is not genuine.
The present headmaster said that
Whether they are
record is not
brother-in-law,
available.
father-in-law, mother-in-law, it's not an
Official
issue. We'll go by the records.
Lordship,
So we'll issue notice.
in the maintain Lordship, some protection.
Very difficult. There's an inquiry and according to them, your certificate is found to be not genuine.
I am elected, Your Lordship, by the.
I understand, but
Court
then
of
once
Lordship,
you are elected
and I got 144 votes.
by
and
dubious means, it's not an election, it's election has to be fair. You have to be
And-
elected fairly.
Schedule caste category,
Fairly.
Your Lordship, and for schedule caste, we read up to class 10 only, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Up to class 10, Your Lordship.
So what is your certificate?
Certificate is annexed, Your Lordship, annexed A, Your Lordship,
Huh?
and annexed B, Your Lordship,
Page?
page 14.
Ah.
And I read class 10, main certificate is annexed C, page number 15, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
Page number 15, annexed C.
She is reading in class 8. Then
And C, examination paper to class 10, Your Lordship.
where it is?
Page number 15, Your Lordship.
She was reading in class 9 and has passed the annual examination for promotion to class 10.
Lordship.
Are you class 10? Hmm?
Class 10 is qualification required, Your Lordship, as per section 111, close to of the Assam Panchayat Act, Your Lordship.
One
Who
must
belongs to the
one must
scheduled
be
caste, Your Lordship.
class 10. Class 10 pass or class 10?
Class 10 for scheduled caste category. And
Okay.
SSLC
Up
pass
to
for
class 10.
general category.
It has been read up to class 10.
To class 10 for scheduled caste category.
Okay.
I must belong to scheduled caste
The
category.
problem is your this on inquiry your this certificate is found
Actually,
to
this
be
certificate-
not genuine.
Issued by the headmaster, Your Lordship, earlier headmaster. At that time, that school was Tensar school, Your Lordship.
Okay, hard mister. No opportunity. No opportunity was provided to you.
Lordship, the local,
Were you been issued a notice?
Yes.
Have you been issued a notice?
in that case,
Huh?
yes, lordship.
Where is the notice?
It's not annexed.
I am asking before passing this impugn order, whether you have been issued a notice or not.
Yes, I was present there. Lordship.
Where it is?
That notice not available here, lordship. I can produce.
You were
letter,
heard.
Yes.
Lordship.
You were heard.
Yes.
Okay then. No stay. Heard, mister?
Double act करेंगे.
Huh?
RR
R.R. Karim, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 22
July of 2020.
July 22/07/2025 passed by the District Commission Dhubri, whereby the petitioner has been removed as Gram Panchayat member from Ward number 7 of
Sagunmari Gaon Panchayat.
82 Sagunmari Gaon Panchayat. No, not removed. Has been disqualified from GP member from AHGP from GP member from Ward number 7 of 82 Sagunmari Gaon Panchayat.
Dhubri district.
In terms of the, as per the provisions of section 111 of the Panchayat, of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994, read with section 62 of Assam Panchayat within brackets Constitution, Rules 1995. Please stop, huh? Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks as Mr. Both of them, huh? Enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent number, all up to
I'm for 1 and 4, my lord.
1 and 4, 2 and 5. You are 2 and 5.
I'm only 5.
2 and 6,
R Dubey's name is
Dubey, so and so.
2 and 3 are.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1 and 4
5.
is the
And 6 is private respondent.
Five.
Format notice need the have
Five.
executive so and so, so and so. For the petitioners to take steps for submission of notice upon response 6, 7, and 8. 6, 7, and 8
Lordship.
within 2 days. That's all.
Lordship.
It's very difficult.
During pendency, your lordship, the respondent may kindly directed not take any coercive measure.
What coercive action? You have already been disqualified.
Already discussed.
No, have you see
Elected-
like
elected-
earlier case you have heard it. That's why I'm asking if you had not given an opportunity.
He was heard, lordship, in the
Since you have been heard, so will not we cannot be, and it is of July 3-4 months back. Why you have come so late? You were heard.
Heard, your lordship.
Okay, that's all. We'll see.
His date may. guide, your
Interim order,
lordship.
interim prayer shall be considered on the next returnable date. We'll see. Let them.
Any date may kindly please tell us. In
No,
the month of
can-
January.
Huh?
In the month of January.
No,
lordship.
no. 4 weeks. It will be listed after 4 weeks. If it is not listed, you make a mention. All right.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, this petitioners have filed a writ of warrant. Respondent number 1, an elected member of a particular constituency, the doubtful citizen. Alternatively, we can be said that he is not a citizen of India.
Who are you?
My lord, in a case of a quoranto,
No, I'm not asking.
I am the person from that constituency.
I'm asking who are you?
My lord, I am the person from
I
that.
am not asking that whether you can file a petition for writ of quoranto.
I am a person from that constituency, my lord, for which.
This court recently has passed a judgment
My
on,
lord.
on quoranto.
Yes, my lord, I am bringing that to 2022 judgment I am giving before your lordship of Supreme Court, which has said.
This court basing relying on all the judgment of the Supreme
Lord-
Court, this court has also passed
My lord,
recently.
your lordship may look into this. This judgment of 2022 has said two things I have to make available before the court.
Okay, you'll issue notice.
My lord, your may lordship may.
Heard, Mr.
PK Roy Choudhury.
Arup, can you hear me? If I am not audible, let me know. Let me know. Huh? Do you have a problem? Ear problem? Put something. Huh? So, how loud I have to be? Huh? I'm being troubled by you. Heard, Mr. PK Roy Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, if I may humbly submit, Lordship.
Yes.
Sir, in this case, basically petitioner is challenging if the relief, if I go produce the relief, if a co-warrantor should be issued calling upon the respondent number one to satisfy the honorable court as to why he is holding the office of the member of Legislative Assembly LA1 Ratnabari constituency. Basically, it is in the form of when he is challenging the how he is elected, Lordship. Then it might go in the form of election petition, Lordship.
No, my lord, that judgment 99 Supreme Court has held. My lord,
Well, we're issuing notice. We'll consider everything. On that.
99, my lord, I am giving the judgment also.
I have indicated the learned counsel for the petitioner that this court has passed a judgment very recently on quo warranto, relying on all the Supreme Court judgment. So he will examine.
That's fine.
Because, my lord, I am relying on the Supreme Court only.
Hmm?
I am relying on the Supreme Court. Your lordship may issue notice and fix a date, let the respondents come over here. If the respondents come and.
No, this court also has
Well, my lord, I will go through it.
relied on the Supreme
My
Court
lord,
judgment.
My lord, I am one.
Lordship, in the same time, we'll also go through the judgment, Lordship.
We'll issue notice today.
My lord, my prayer is only for notice.
Huh? What you have written? Hmm. Petitioners or petitioner?
Petitioners.
Petitioners, right. The petitioners seeking to invoke the writ of quo warranto have filed this present application against one
Respondent number one.
against Mr. Vijay Malakhar,
My lord,
respondent number one, who has been elected
my lord, my lord.
as member of Legislative Assembly from Legislative Assembly constituency
My lord.
1, Ratnabari constituency,
SC constitution.
Ratnabari SC
SC
constituency, within bracket SC constituency. Are you clear?
My lord.
Am I clear? In the assembly election of general assembly, no, assembly election of
2021.
2021. List of. It is the case of the petitioners that the said assembly constituency, they said LA1 Ratnabari SC constituency no, sorry. Contention of the petitioners that the petitioner is not entitled to, the respondent number one is not entitled to hold the office of
Public post.
as member of Legislative Assembly in view of the fact that there's no,
He is not an Indian citizen.
in view of the fact that the respondent number one is not a Indian citizen. List of. That's all. We'll issue notice. It. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Is all are present? No. Who else, sir?
I'm appearing for respondent number 6 and 8, Lordship. Respondent AI Ali appearing for respondent number 6 and 8, CI, Lordship.
Is Mr.
AI Ali.
A.I. Ali, Learned Council,
Election Commission of India, Lordship.
respondent number
6 and 8.
6 and 8. Then S.S. Roy 2 and 4.
I'll appear for respondent number 5.
J. Paying 5.
Lordship, 7
Then-
people may appear.
7. Then you write Mr. S.S. Roy, huh? Age Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned State Council, comma, Mr. J. Paying, Learned State Council,
Standing council for FT and board.
Learned Standing Council,
Border matters, man.
FT,
FT and border matters.
FT and Border Matters, and Mr. A.I. Ali, Standing Council. Standing Council, Election Commission of India. Enters appearance and accept notice on behalf of respondent number 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. No formal notice need be served, huh? However, extra copies be furnished to the Learned Council for the respondents during the course of the day. Learned Council for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1,
Three.
3,
1 and 3.
1 and 3 within 2 days by speed post as well as usual process. Huh?
Hello.
That's all.
The scope of maintainability may be kept open, Lordship.
Huh?
And the scope of maintainability of the petition may be kept open, Lordship.
Will not say anything. You may raise it anytime. It's a question of law.
My lord, in this case, my name may be shown, my lord, because my name is not shown there. my lord.
Which one?
In 45.
Then registry issue in 45, huh? Last registry issue reflect the name of Mr. J. Paying, Learned
Standing council,
Council,
FT and border matters.
FT and Border
Border,
Matters. Are you resolving the borders?
Trying,
Is it your subject?
yes, my lord, borders.
What's happening? Border issues
We are, my lord,
all around.
all around, we are trying to deport some people from state as well as union.
This is state, that is state.
That is not problem, my lord. International border only.
You are not interested in the national borders.
Yes, my lord, we are on international border.
You are not interested in national borders.
The national border, we are depending. my lord.
National is
Interstate border, we are not looking.
interstate is more dangerous. They say no. I mean, things has to start from
Yes,
the earth.
obliged.
You said cannot jump to the international. All right.
Obliged.
Hmm. Yes.
The improved certificate at page 51, my lord.
Hmm.
Chapter 9.
51.
Yes, I am against that, my lord.
51. 51.
51, my lord, is type copy and 53 is the original copy.
What is this?
This was the 53, page number 53. This is the original copy and 51 is my type copy.
Hmm.
However, the fact is the petitioner herein is the manpower service provider on outsourcing basis, my lord. He is supply of manpower service.
So recovery.
Recovery, my lord, recovery certificate. By yes,
Heard Mr. So and so learned. Will issue notice.
my lord,
Has it been recovered?
my lord, one thing, my lord.
Has it been recovered?
50% already they have.
We'll see. We'll see. Let them file their
One
response.
thing, I have filed a case before the ESI court.
Ah.
That is pending, my lord.
Then
My lord,
why retlies?
my lord,
When the matter is pending, subject matter against the recovery,
yes, my lord.
then
That is why I am coming, my lord.
yes,
We have filed a petition under section 75 of ESI Act
yes.
for cancellation of this notice.
Mm.
And subsequently,
we have also filed a petition 75
Hmm.
for waiver of the 50% amount.
Yes.
When a petition filed under section 75 of the ESI Act,
Hmm.
the petitioner has to deposit 50% of the amount, my lord.
Hmm.
So that in my 75 subsection 2 petitions, the court directed me to deposit the 50%.
Hmm.
So that order has been passed by the ESI court.
Hmm.
And subsequently what happened, pending this order, my lord, the ESI court hold my bank account and recovered 11 lakhs 29,617 from my account, my lord. More than 50% of the recovered amount. My lord, now my submission is, my lord, the amount which they have recovered from my bank account, holding my account, or that should be subject to the result of the case, my lord, and the trial court to be directed to dispose of the
No,
matter. within a very short time.
why more than 50%?
My lord, because that was my bank account. My bank account seized by the ESI court. That is why I am submitting before your lordship. My lord, at this moment, my submission is the ESI court be directed to.
Number one, whether the writ petition is maintainable or not.
My lord,
Whatever proceedings,
yes.
right, it's pending. It's the nature of civil proceedings only.
Yes.
Why don't you file an appropriate
But
application?
CPC will not lie in that manner, the ESI court. my lord.
Huh?
They will not apply the CPC, my lord, as per the order.
But then it's a nature of civil proceedings only.
Yes.
It's a recovery
Yes.
against the recovery,
Yes, sir.
right? May not be applicable strictly the CPC.
Yes.
The spirit will apply.
Apply. That is.
So why writ petition?
My lord, I pray for a direction. The supervisory direction can be issued, my lord. My case which is pending before the ESI, that is to be disposed of within a specific time, my lord.
Oh,
Otherwise I will be suffered
So,
because. more
that
than-
is, don't jump here and there, sir. When the matter is already pending,
Yes.
you have filed an appropriate application, whatever orders, whatever action is been initiated, that has to be looked into by that court only, that forum only.
My lord, we have after my lord, deducting of my amount. recovered-
Which one you are challenging? Are you challenging the order of the ESI court?
Yes, that is in, my lord, kindly see
Which order you are challenging?
all the
If
orders
you are challenging this recovery notice
notice, my lord.
by the, who
By
is
the-
this?
Issued by the ESI.
ESI?
Yes.
This is a subject matter to be decided by the ESI court, right? Which you have already rightly filed an application. And if you are agreed by the action of the ESI court, that is
After recovery.
which order you are aggrieved? Which order you are challenging here?
Essentially, my lord, Annexure 9. Annexure 9 issued by the ESI court, my lord.
Then why you are showing this? Impugn order, page 51. This is a subject matter which is pending before the ESI
Yes.
court.
Page 51 is the, my lord, ESI notice, my lord. Certificate, which was challenged before the.
Yeah, that is pending.
Yes, pending.
So how
My lord,
can we
one second, my lord.
interfere?
Thereafter, my lord, during pendency of my 75 petitions, my lord, they have arbitrarily recovered more than 50% from me. My lord, my apprehension is, in that account, they time and again recovered the amount. To that effect, my lord, thereafter I have.
So which order you are aggrieved? Show us the order.
Agree of, my lord, the notice, my lord.
Which notice?
59, my lord.
59?
Page
You're saying one after
page
another.
51, my lord.
51, it cannot be. You cannot challenge this before this court. This is a subject matter which you have challenged before the ESI court.
My lord, my humble submission before your lordship is, while my ESI case is pending, my lord,
That's why I'm asking which order, which action you are aggrieved
agree with, my lord.
by filing this writ petition. Show us that.
My lord, 51, my lord, Annexure 9.
This is a recovery order by the ESI, not
sir.
by the court.
Yes, my lord, that is correct, my lord.
So that is a subject matter challenge before the ESI court.
My lord, one pair is, my lord, made in this petition, my lord. A mandamus can be issued, my lord. Directing the respondent authorities
What is mandamus?
to not to, my lord, to refund the.
What is mandamus? Tell us, please explain.
My lord, the ESI authority has arbitrarily recovered 1 lakh, 11 lakhs, 29,000 during pendency of my case, my lord. Hereafter, I have appeared before the PSI court, my lord. By filing another petition, 75 subsection 2 of 2B.
You pursue that. That's why I'm trying to indicate you. Your challenge is, you have wrongly mentioned, is we are yet to reach 2026, page 20.
Yes, my lord.
Impute demand notice 16/5/2026.
Yes, 16/5/2025, my lord. So 16/5.
What is written here? Sir, what is written here? Can you
Yes, yes, yes.
come, please?
Yes.
Please come, page 20.
Yes, my lord. Page 20.
Ha. Demand notice dated 16/5/2026.
Yes.
We are yet to enter the 2026. Anyway, it may be a typographical mistake. There is 16/5/2025, right?
Yes, my lord. 25.
Then
Not 26.
this is a subject matter which you have put to challenge before the appropriate forum. Then reconsider petition's application under section so and so. Addressing local law considering petition financial hardship. This cannot be. Shall not be directly responded to refund the illegally recovered amount of so and so. By which order this has been recovered? Ah,
My lord, that was informed me by the bank on, my lord.
number one cannot be. Number one, prayer number one cannot be, as well as number two. Yes,
Yes, Malad, I'm issuing the same, Malad. Regarding maintainability, Malad. If your lordship may peruse section 78 of the
70
78, Malad.
section.
Yes, Malad. Malad, I shall lordship, sorry.
Just wait.
Page 53 of the there, Malad.
70.
Malad, page
Yes, powers of
powers of
employees.
employees insurance codes. Malad, the employees insurance code shall have all the powers of a civil court for the purpose of summoning and enforcing the attendance of witness, compelling the discovery and production of documents and material objects, administering or recording evidence, and such code shall be deemed to be a civil code within the meaning of section 195 of the CRPC. Here, my lord, he has challenged the order of the ESI court, my lord, by way of filing 226, my lord, which, my lord, in my humble submission is not maintainable, my lord. But if proper, if any of is agreed by the order of the ESI court, a proper form.
To address 227.
My lord,
227 or revision.
27 or under CRP.
Yeah, revision. Yeah.
Yes, if I may, my lord, submit my, if I may. Either 227 or either by way of CRP or any other, my lord, this is civil court, my lord. That prayer cannot be accessed by this honorable court. And secondly, this demand notice that he has already challenged before the ESI court, that is still pending to be adjudicated. If at all he is successful, obviously, we would be liable to refund the amount. And there are a number of cases by this honorable court, it has been regularly maintained that there's a.
Very simple. That is very simple.
Yes.
Not maintainable.
No, no, no.
My lord, I mean,
If I may,
I will draw it, you can liberty to file a fresh because, my lord, I have to file it. Challenging the. Yes,
What liberty is required? Heard Mr. So-and-so. Mr.
Together.
Nikitas, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that. Nikitas, learned counsel for the petitioner, having realized that the writ petition against the demand, what is that?
Page 50, demand notice, my lord.
Demand notice
16/5/2025.
by the Employees State Insurance Corporation under the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Would not be, which has been already for against which an application is pending before the ESI court,
In Dibrugarh.
Dibrugarh, submits, would not be maintainable, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw the present writ petition. Mr.
M. Smith for respondent number one.
Learned Counsel for respondent number 1 is present.
1 and 2, my lord.
Consider 1 and 2, is present. Considering the submissions of, and considering the matters, and the next para, the prayer for withdrawal is accepted as the writ petition will not be maintainable against the demand notice which has been already challenged before the ESI court, Dibrugarh, prayer for withdrawal is accepted accordingly. Writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Liberty will be granted to file another petition. my lord.
But at what liberty?
Otherwise, it will again, my lord,
The other,
difficult. Eleven will file.
just said, we, writ petition is not maintainable, therefore. Anyway, then first initially, what is it? First line, first para, submits that he may be allowed. Under, you said, under, not at, demand notice, under, under employees, under the Employees State Insurance Act 1948. Submits that with a liberty to file appropriate application. Appropriate, with liberty file appropriate application.
Yes, ma'am.
List of, then
M.
is present. No, age, not because age, as the writ petition would not be, is not maintainable in view of the fact that, in view of the fact that the demand notice is already has already been put to challenge before the ESI court. Court which is pending. Then accordingly, writ. Accordingly, the writ petition is then dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty as prayed for. Somewhere you have written both the accepted. First also you have said accepted, last also you have accepted. You find it there. It should be two words, either in the first or in the last, in that paragraph. That way, sir, will not be able to dispose even a 1 line, 2 line, or we will not be able to pass any orders. Please, get it done. We'll see.
All right.
You may go. Ask someone to come. You do that. How many orders you have taken? It's enough for you. Please. You come later. Do that first. It should be done before I mean, it has to be placed during lunch break. Huh? Yesterday's matter also you have not. It was yesterday's matter. You please complete all those things, please. Yes, Baro, send him. Yesterday's matter is also pending. All right. You do it before the. So should I come and collect it? I told you to finish yesterday. I was here till 8 o'clock. Yesterday. Why you have not sent it? I'll talk to you in the chambers. Please go. Do it there. Complete that. Complete all the works today. Yes.
Lordship, I've given the instruction receipt, Lordship. You do instruction.
Nothing. The issue is when you are, when the matter is season of the matter, this court, why you two have the parallel proceedings?
Lordship,
You immediately file your, you have filed the affidavit.
Not yet, Lordship.
Then you come with the affidavit,
Lordship,
we'll
kindly
decide
see-
it.
Lordship, understand, Lordship, kindly come to page 87 of the writ petition, the minutes of the meeting, Lordship. It was in terms of that, this notice was issued in terms of that minute.
That is also, that is
earlier than
under challenge.
That is challenge, my lord.
That is under challenge,
Yes,
the
my
writ petition.
And Lordship,
That's the whole issue. Maybe you may be correct.
Lordship,
There should be a new election or whatever, constitution.
Lordship,
A committee has to be constituted. It's correct. At present, we are concerned about when the matter is pending.
Lordship. That's why, Lordship,
Right.
because the maintenance of that,
It's all right. Who is stopping you to
That's
come
why
with the
Lordship-
response and we'll dispose of the matter.
Lordship,
Is not it?
Lordship.
You are staying it. You have given,
My instruction may be kept on record on that basis, Lordship, because
because you have decided to constitute the new committee.
Lordship. Because that committee, Lordship,
which
there
is
was-
headed by the petitioner,
Yes.
is not in accordance with the
Yes, earlier trust deed, because the they
trust
have,
deed, right?
they have.
Now that has been put to challenge, wrongly or rightly,
Lordship,
is not it?
Lordship,
I mean, wrongly, rightly, they are holding, or wrongly or rightly, you have decided
Lordship,
to constitute a new committee
Lordship,
as per the,
public interest, Lordship. That's
whatever. That is under challenge.
Lordship,
And we're not responding just because there is no interim order.
Lordship.
You are rushed to constitute a committee.
Because it was due to that minute, it has to be done, Lordship.
I have
That's why.
understood. You may be right,
Lordship.
but you have to respond when the matter is pending.
Lordship, that's why I
You are
understand.
not
Lordship, because
responding
this
and
was-
you are just rushing.
Lordship, the notice was issued returnable by 4 weeks is there, Lordship. That
Ah,
4 weeks has not,
that's why you want to, I mean, because there is no interim order.
Lordship,
That will be considered on next date.
Lordship. Status quo as on today, let,
Ah. Heard Mr. in the IA, huh? P. Mahanta, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. S.S. Roy, learned state counsel for the respondents.
Lordship,
This is an application. Seeking, no, what is this? This is disposal of matter.
I have 4135.
Yesterday's one is disposal.
4135.
Frankfurt, stay of the notice dated 11/12/2025 issued by the Additional District Commissioner, Noga. Where is that? Where is notice?
It is annexure
11.
1 at
Page-
page 11, my lord. I, last one.
Whereby a meeting is scheduled to be held on 18/12/2025 at 4 p.m. for reconstitution of Managing Committee Board of Trustees of Krishna Ashram Shiva Mandir, Nehru Bali, Kolongpar, Nagaon, and to nominate trustee and office bearer in accordance with the clause 6, capital A, bracket clause, within bracket 1, bracket clause trust deed, within bracket REGD, list of bracket clause, registered, huh? Of the said trust. Page 11, huh? IA. IA. Next para. The petitioner had has filed the WPC 6868 of 2025 challenging the notice. Which notice?
This is, my lord, the 11/12/2025.
11/12. Huh?
Yes.
No, earlier.
Earlier, that is, my lord, on 3/11/2025, my lord. That is annexure 9 at page 86. In date petition, my lord.
Challenge the earlier
3/11/2025.
3/11/25.
25. By whose meeting was scheduled on 7th November.
No, 7/11.
Lordship.
Yes, 7/11.
7/11 meeting was held. Thereafter,
3/11, my lord, notice was issued. The meeting to be held on 7/11, my lord.
The meeting was held. You are
Held.
challenging. You are challenging which one?
That one, my lord.
that's
Initially, that one in the petition.
Notice
Yes,
or
my lord.
or
Notice as well
decision?
as the minute also, my lord. And
3/11/2025 passed by the the what is additional commissioner?
Explain, my lord.
Same, huh? Additional commissioner Nagaon.
Yes, ma'am.
Additional district commissioner Nagaon fixing the meeting for
7/11.
7/11.
fixing the meeting on 7/11/20. No, no. Notice 7 so and so. Fixing the meeting for what the constitution of new trust deed oblique. No, new what do you call trustee.
Trustee and the office bearer as well as the reconstitution of the managing committee.
For reconstitution of the managing committee, public board of trustees of Krishna Sram so and so, Shiv Mandir, and the consequent decision. There is 07/11/2025. List of this court issued a notice of motion on 05/12/2025, returnable by 4 weeks, with an observation that the interim prayer shall be considered on the next discernible date. List of by the present impute notice dated 11/12/2025, the petitioners, the respondent authorities before the returnable date has hurriedly scheduled a meeting proposing to be held on 18/12/2025 at 4 p.m. for reconstitution of managing committee oblique board of trustees of so and so Krishna Ashram Samiti Mandir. List of the Discord. Taken the Discord having where is the impute notice, and also considering that the writ petition, the connected writ petition has been in the connected writ petition, wherein the earlier notice for meeting and reconstitution and the committee and the consequent decision of the respondents having been put to challenge pending return of the notice, is of the considered view that the Additional District Commission, Noga, ought not to have rushed to constitute the rush to held a meeting for reconstitution of the managing committee of oblique board of trustees of the said Mandir, when the despite the knowledge that the earlier notice and the consequent decision is under the session of this court, wherein a notice of motion was issued, return on 9/12, 5/12/2025, returnable by 4 weeks. List of, in view of the above, I'm of the considered view that the no, they considered with an interim order is called for list of accordingly. The notice dated 11/12/2025 passed by the Additional District Commission Nagar shall remain suspended. List of the learned council, learned state council be provided with a copy of this order on onward communication to the additional district commissioner during the course of the day.
Lordship,
You'll get it at 2 o'clock.
Lordship.
I mean,
Lordship.
because they have fixed the schedule on, I mean, at 4 p.m.
Inform them, Lordship.
You just get it on priority. Huh? Before 2, we'll have to issue. You furnish a copy to
Lordship.
Mr. Roy, huh?
Lordship, date may be fixed, returnable date. But
No, returnable date is already there.
no, 4 weeks, Lordship. Now the date may be fixed. The list. Not till returnable date, this order may be stayed.
Till returnable date.
Date may be fixed now, Lordship. Date may be fixed, Lordship.
Till returnable of the writ petition.
Lordship, date may be, I'm paying.
Last
for it.
time it was not.
No, date was not given to that at that time of 4 weeks. So I'm paying for a date because as the case is listed today, the date may be fixed, Lordship.
It is for only IA only.
Lordship, even if Lordship can fix a date, Lordship.
Earlier,
Lordship required, Lordship, if the 4 weeks, then up to.
Today they have prayed for fixed minor date. Earlier, they did not pray for any fix of the date, my lord. This is the things, my lord.
So least the better then in that case. After 4 weeks, give that date.
20, Lordship.
20th January.
Lordship.
Yes, sir.
20. Till 20, stays till 20 January.
Then in that case, you issue notice here also.
Lordship.
Here we will have to issue notice.
Yes, your Lordship. In the IA, Lordship.
IA you issue notice. Returnable by 20th, huh? No, the notice is not here. You just list the matter on 20th. You, since you have accept notice, accepted notice, yes.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, if your Lordship peruse the order dated Milord 2/9/2025, 11, no Milord, 2/9/25 Milord. Lordship, supposed to file affidavit Milord by the private respondent. When I verified the record, Milord, they filed the affidavit, but without serving me the copy, Milord.
Who?
Private respondent was 6 and 7, Milord.
Who is
They in fact filed me. I found the affidavit, but without.
What is the matter?
Proceed, in this case, I am challenging some inaction by the state respondent. This is a GMC and GMJ, Milord. Dispute between the land in question is going on before the appropriate court, Milord.
Then
But when matter is pending, private respondent enter into the premises and constructed, Milord, permanent structure. And since it is a land of the petitioner, Milord, and they, on the basis of some agreement which are under challenge, Milord, without permission, Milord, they cannot start a construction. This is the issue, Milord. So Lordship will find at page 174, 75. We made a complaint before the authority, GMD authority, that these are the situation.
what is your problem?
Lordship, land is belongs
Are
to
they
me.
are they constructing in your
Yes, yes, Milord.
on your land?
Yes, yes, Milord.
Then is it not a subject matter of dispute in the
Yes, Milord.
civil
Suit
court?
and counter suit is pending before the.
So you go there,
The Lordship only issue that despite the order.
you get
intention-
it, decide.
Lord,
Why you are, I mean, wasting your time here?
No, Lordship.
Go and decide, get it decided.
That is, lot, the issue is pending before the, but Lordship will kindly peruse 174 million.
Ah,
We have made a complaint because in spite of pendency of the case before the appropriate court, my lord,
ah,
Lordship, since it is a federal, that they have on the basis of some sale agreement, my lord.
ah.
Sale agreement is entered into by my father.
So we'll decide that.
The that will.
Whether land belongs to you or land belongs to them, who will decide that?
Till now, they have no right title, they no right and title in.
There's a suit and counter suit.
Yes.
So get it, go and get it
But
decided.
that's why-
Until you decide, how can, what do we do?
Okay, at least.
What order we can pass?
Lordship kindly peruse the order.
What relief can be granted to you, sir?
I have no, and nothing to, only one observation and that since it is a without permission of the GMD authority,
Hmm.
person cannot start a construct any house or building, well, that is the issue, my lord. Lordship kindly peruse the, my fair, my lord, fair
Hmm.
motion. I'm not about my.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Lordship, I am
Mr.
appearing for
So-and-so,
respondent
learned
number 6
counsel
and
for
7.
6 and 7 has filed the affidavit. However, copy is not been, and however, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has not been provided.
We'll furnish a copy.
In view above, let Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel respond to furnish a copy of the affidavit filed on behalf of respondent 6 and 7 during the course of the day.
Lordship,
Huh?
Lordship.
Mr. P. Nayak, learned standing counsel, GMD,
GMC.
GMC and GMD, and for respondent 1 and 5, 1 to 5 is present. You have filed.
Lordship,
So what is your authority? What can you do? What you have to do?
Two issues are there, Lordship. One is land dispute that is pending before the civil court.
Uh,
And another is construction of a building without approval of the.
yes, but that is the issue, my lord.
That is the issue here.
so,
That issue will be decided by your lord. In the meantime, they have already filed complaint.
Ah.
So I have to respond.
that you have, why you are not responding since 2017?
So in
List this matter as agreed to by the land court, list this matter after 4 weeks. You file an affidavit. Simple matter. Whether you have to decide whether you have allowed or power to authority to allow construction or not.
Lordship, that
And
is
what
the-
action you have taken on the complaint, you have to decide it.
I agree.
I think 7, 8.
7.
7 and 8.
7.
7. What?
Lordship, my senior is another court.
What is the matter?
WP 3561.
Hmm.
So, Passover timing.
Yes, which for respondent? Hmm?
I'm appearing respondent number 11. You come.
Respondent number 11. Who is for the petitioner?
Come this way. You come this side. It was headed to
Principal Secretary, Assam Revenue and Disaster Management, Director General Police, huh? Saying what?
No, A7 or respondent.
Lordship,
Lordship.
there's an allegation the circle officer and the police officer is trying to dispose the petitioner.
No, Lordship, on the base, para four, Lordship.
Where it is?
Para four.
Page.
Page. It's running page.
Affidavit of what?
Affidavit by the circle officer, Lordship.
Affidavit by respond number 6.
Lordship.
Is it 6?
Seven, Lordship.
Response 185.
The para four maybe.
185. Yes.
Para four.
Hmm.
May I read, Lordship?
Just wait. Yes.
That with regard to the made in 2 and 3 of the writ petition, the deponent beg to say the writ petitioner has claimed that he is possessing 1 biga, 1 katha, 15 lessa of land covered by ceiling surplus, dark number so-and-so, Toji so-and-so village under Chayani Moja. But as per office record, the above land measuring so-and-so covered by dark number so-and-so ceiling government land, wherein number 1 Mathura Nath, son of and Sona Nath, son of so-and-so are recorded as Rayot. The writ petitioner has applied for allotment of 1 biga of so-and-so land as claimed by him, and he is paying Tozi Khazana White Tozi number so-and-so. But Srimati Nath, the respondent number 11 in the writ petition, applied for allotment of a plot of the land so-and-so where she is paying the Tozi Khazana White Tozi number 492. On the basis of both the application, respective Latmandal visited the area and submitted report. In Latmandal report, the petitioner has a position in the backside of the Dag passing from the PWD road to his residence of his Toji, and the respondent number 11 has possession over 1 katha, 2 poa with boundary wall in front portion of the Dag, and both of the plot are completely separate plot where both are paying separate Tojis by Toji number so-and-so, so-and-so.
So both the respond number petitioner and the respondent number, they have separate land.
Separate land.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, my senior is recovering from his stroke.
Who?
Mr. P. Sharma.
When had happened?
That had happened at October. Now still he is recovering.
There's nothing, madam. When you and the respond number 11 having a separate, possessing a separate land, what's the question of disposition? Anyway, MS so-and-so land counsel for the petitioner.
Yeah.
That means that the leading counsel, Mr. P.N. Sharma,
Sharma.
P. Sharma, is under medical treatment. Therefore, is yet to fully recover from his ailment. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, you record the SS Royal London State Council and Mr. So-and-so for responding
Item number 8 also.
are present.
8 also.
7 and 8.
7 and 8.
7 and 8, yes.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, in 9, 10 and 11, this all 3 matters relates to termination of contract, Lordship. Challenging this orders, Lordship, Honorable Court passed some interim orders. Then the authorities allowed the petitioner to resume the work, Lordship. Lordship, I have to place instruction whether the projects are completed or not. I may be allowed 4 weeks time, Lordship.
Lordship, that instruction I can also place. Only question is I filed my affidavit, Lordship, and on last several directions, Lordship, he was directed to file his reply, Lordship. He has not yet filed, Lordship.
No, only one will cover. One occasion, Lordship, I was allowed, Lordship.
You have filed the affidavit.
Yes, Lord.
Saying what?
We have justified the termination order, Lordship.
But what is this? He said that there's an interim order.
Interim order came subsequently, Lordship.
Then?
Basic issue is the termination of the.
But it's okay. Now once you interim order, whether he has been allowed or not.
a court directed and he is saying that he has been allowed and he is continuing, but he is unable to complete, place the completion order also.
Petitioner is out of station, so that's why I could not place the lordship. Out of station? What is this?
That is the,
Petitioner, they allowed me to resume the work, lordship. Accordingly, I started the construction work, the remaining work. 2021.
photo order was also okay. Status quo piece order.
Honorable Court
They
of
didn't
passed
find
the
that-
order on 19/8/21, lordship. That
Lord,
in the-
Mr.
in,
Mr.
Honorable-
So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioners. Petitioner submits that he may be granted some time to obtain his section as the petitioner is said to have been allowed by the respondent authorities to resume the work. Hmm? But it is based on the, I think, chief minister and guardian minister, not because of the court. Anyway, give it, you just give it back. Please, praise aloud. Mr. So-and-so, P. Nayak, learned standing council, PWG president. List after 4 weeks. So as to enable, the 4 weeks, the land council is to place the definite instruction on the next date. Huh? You have to place it on next date. Just have, you can call up, then say whether you have completed or not.
Yes, exactly. Lordship, interim order, passed earlier.
What interim order?
There is a earlier order.
Okay, interim order for selection.
Who light it?
May it please your lordship. Lordship may kindly peruse the order dated 10/9/2025, my lord. It will make quite clear, my lord, that compensation amount has already been initiated to the petitioners, my lord, amounting to rupees 3,14,063, my lord. But they have refused to accept the compensation amount, my lord. So thereafter, whether they have
Lordship now.
See, last order is 26/11/2025.
lordship.
Then,
As per my recent instruction, my lord,
Lordship,
Mr. K. Buen, respondent has submitted, he has received instruction in the matter and would like to require some time to file affidavit.
this is what my recent instruction says, my lord. That,
This is, this order is 26/11.
lordship,
You are supposed to file affidavit
uh,
on the basis of your, the instructions you to place on record.
lordship, we have already filed our affidavit.
You have filed.
Yes, my lord, way back in 24, my lord. And
Yes, who is Mr. K. Buen? Counters for the respondents.
I am for BTC, my lord, for respondent number 2 and 4.
Huh? Who is Mr. Buya?
Might be my
Learned counsel K. Buya, K. Buya.
senior is Mr. A.K. Bhuya, my lord.
K. Buya. I don't know who is K. Buya.
It could be A.K. Bhuya, lord, instead of A. lord. My lord, if there has been any dispute in regarding the amount, my lord, then that will be the jurisdiction of the civil court, my lord. So if
What is your instruction?
Lordship, that's what I am trying to say, Lordship. I need some time, Lordship. We have contacted, the petitioners, Lordship. Not all of them has approached, Lordship. I need some time, Lordship. There are
On the
lots
prayer of
people,
Mr.
around
On the
20
prayer of Mr.
K does lordship.
K. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. 3 weeks' time is granted to obtain instruction.
Yes, Lord.
You could have said so.
The matter regarding my lord payment of my lord family pension, my lord of middle fighter, my lord. Now, the petitioner was supposed to my lord submit some documents which she had already been submitted, my lord.
Hmm.
Some my lord, the copies of attested copies of photographs, etc. She had already my lord submitted, my lord.
Lordship, we have received instruction regarding this. The document they have submitted, it is not in order, Lordship. They have, I have received the instruction, it is not in order, and department has returned the documents to the petitioner again.
Hmm.
Department has informed us that they will contact the petitioner within 2 or 3 working days. So it is not in order, so Lordship may fix it immediately after vacations, Lordship.
Then give a copy of that if they could.
Yes, I will provide him a copy.
Heard Mr. M. Datta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
K. Kolita on behalf of KK Parakot.
K. Mr. Learned Counsel.
On behalf of KK
Appearing
Parakot.
on behalf of KK Parasal, Learned says submits that the process could not be completed because could not be completed as the petitioner, the document submitted by the petitioner is not in order, for which the respondents shall what?
The department will contact the petitioner.
The respondent department shall contact the petitioner within 2 to 3 working days, 2 to 3 working days for necessary steps. Christoph, considering above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. Not appears for the petitioner on call. Mr.
G. Bordoloi.
D. Bordoloi. B.
G.
Bordoloi. For
For the respond number 1 to 5 and 8, Cooperation.
State
Department.
Council.
Standing Council.
Standing Council.
Cooperation Department.
Cooperation Department. You have filed the affidavit.
No, Your Lordship. In fact, the instruction is awaited, Your Lordship, because
Is
the matter.
present and fresh for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit. The services in respect of respondent number 6 and 7 are complete, huh? List after 4 weeks. List the matter after 4 weeks.
Let's.
Lordship, I have received my instruction. I would like to file.
Or Mr. So-and so, Learned Counsel for the, RS Mishra, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer, Mr. S. Barua.
SR Barua.
SR Barua, Learned State Council. For the 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit.
Lordship.
Much available.
Non appears for the petitioner. Who had appeared in person. Mr. It is noticed that on 13 08/2025. The petitioner in person was not present. List a matter after 2 weeks, 3 weeks. On the next date, if non-appearance continues, appropriate orders will be passed. Non-appearance continues. If non-appearance continues, appropriate orders will be passed. Or if the petitioner remains unrepresented. 22, yes.
This matter may be taken after vacation.
Why? Affidavit has been filed.
Yes, your lordship.
What is the matter?
Lordship, relating to contractual dues, lordship, non-payment of contractual dues.
Yes, are you admitting?
No, your lordship. Lordship, I'm respondent number 4 in this, Assam Tourism. We have been asked to make this payment, your lordship. But lordship, we have no knowledge of this work order because we never issued the work order.
Who has asked you to pay?
We have got a letter from them, but the letter was received by the guard office and we came to know about this only when this writ petition was filed. And
So,
PHE as respondent number 3 of PHE. Yeah, so PHE is the person who has, who had a privity of, the transaction was done with it.
yes. Have you filed the affidavit?
We have filed, my lord.
Yes.
What happened is that, my lord, this is a contract relating to conducting an event, my lord.
Hmm.
So, in the banks of Brahmaputra, my lord, this event was conducted. So for that event, my lord, on urgent basis, toilets were required. And event was conducted by Tourism Corporation, my lord. My learned senior over here is representing. So there was a joint meeting and without a formal work order, in our affidavit, we have clarified that in this kind of works where urgent sanitary requirements are there, work order is confirmed later. That is what the affidavit of our engineer says. So that meeting happened where Tourism Corporation was also there, where the petitioner was authorized to conduct this work, man. And in the writ petition itself, we have forwarded the bill of that work
To the tourism.
to the tourism.
Lordship, if I may, wait, please, Lordship. So Lordship, first of all, I want to draw the attention of Lordship to a particular, to the completion certificate that was issued by PHE to them. As far as our case is concerned, we do not know anything about it. But if your Lordship has page 12 of the writ petition filed by them, there your Lordship, they mention about NIT 01 of 2023-24, but the work order, verbal work order, as the writ petition says, was apparently issued on 31, the work order was given on 25/12, then 31/12/2022, it was over. But my case is that your Lordship, the minutes of the meeting they are talking about, if your Lordship can see the minutes of the meeting, it only said that the minutes of the meeting was conducted. Yes, your Lordship.
Don't go by technicality.
Yes, your Lordship.
Go by the practicality.
Yes, your Lordship.
Whether the petitioner has executed the work, whether verbally or written, whatever, or advertisement, whatever, right?
We do not know about this, but that
You
is
must know when you were the party to the
Lordship,
meeting.
So, Lordship, the party only said that we are going to organize a Brahmaputra Brahmaputra festival. That's it. Nothing else, your Lordship. There is nothing that says
no.
that the work,
No. Kindly discuss with the department. That
We-
cannot be.
we have given our affidavit, your Lordship.
Huh?
We have given the affidavit.
No, you just cannot debate.
We are not evading.
Not
your
just
Lordship.
on technical thing. See, number one, whether they have executed the work. He said department through whom this work out executed, right?
We do not.
They have given. And it was for the festival,
They are
which
saying
comes under the tourism department.
we do not know anything about
You
it.
find out.
Lordship, we have no knowledge about it. We have already given that on affidavit. We have not, because Lordship, eventually, it is a dispute question of fact that has
No,
come
no,
out
that's
here.
what I'm indicating. Don't try to go for technicality. See, once they have executed the work and the other department, your brother says that it is the tourism department who has to pay. You have to pay. Find out from where you, how can you, how you will pay. Find out.
Lordship, I'll see, but the thing is, we have already submitted our affidavit,
It's
Lordship.
all right, but
We have
then
no
you just
knowledge about
apprised. The primacy view of this court appears to be they have executed, allowed to execute the work for
Lord-
the festival, Brahmaputra River Festival, which would be, the expenditure would be from the tourism department.
Lordship,
Whether that festival was held or not, was there a festival?
yes, your Lordship,
Then-
festival was, but
Not
Lordship.
better ends there.
Bio toilets, we have not seen the work. We have not even seen the completion certificate. If your Lordship has the order of this honorable
Oh,
court,
then you and in between you and the same department of the two departments of the same government, you cannot, because of your this thing evading or the denial, petitioner cannot be made suffer.
Lordship
Made
may
to
give me
suffer.
some time to go back and seek instruction. Lordship
Ah,
may give me some.
that's
give me
what I'm
some
saying.
time. Give me
Ah.
some time.
Had MS so learn counsel for the petitioner. Mr. MS, no, that's for the petitioner, Miss MS Barua,
P. Barwa, your Lordship.
MSP Barua, learned counsel, standing counsel
No,
for
no, Lordship, I'm just a counsel, not the standing
counsel
counsel.
for the tourism department.
Yes, your Lordship.
Is granted 3 weeks time to obtain instruction as regard the payment of the claim of the petitioner in view of the fact that the petitioner has been permitted to, has been allowed to execute the work by the Department of PHE through the,
monitoring was done by PHA, but the work order is of who is of.
But we have not issued the work order. My stand remains there. I've not issued the work order.
executed,
may-
through allowed to execute the work through the Department of PHE. The work order which was issued by the tourism department.
Lordship, we have not issued because I have given the
See, there
affidavit.
is on the paper.
Lordship, may
You find instruction.
just record my submission that I,
You take instruction. I'm not saying directing you to pay.
yes, your
Take
Lordship.
instruction, find out.
Yes, your Lordship.
We understand the officers, how they file the affidavit. We don't discard it. We don't, reject it, but we know. We know, we have some knowledge how they file the affidavit. That's why we are granting you time
Lordship.
to obtain instruction.
Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship.
yes.
Much obliged.
Hello, this request is regarding inaction on the part of GMC, my lord,
Hmm.
for illegal construction, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner made so many complaints before the GMC, my lord, because the private respondent has been, my lord, raising illegal construction, my lord.
So,
This they have admitted, my lord.
I have already received instruction yesterday, but we are going to file mine.
heard Mr. J.C. Gore, land counsel for the petition. You have filed the affidavit.
Yes, I have filed my affidavit.
You are
5 to 8. Respondent number 5 to 8. I have
Private.
filed. 5 to 8. private.
Mr.
B. Sharma.
V. Sharma, learned counsel for respondent 5 to 8, has already filed the affidavit of position. Next prayer on the prayer of Mr. P. Nayak, learned standing counsel, GMC
Yes.
and GMD. GMC,
GMC.
GMC. Further 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit of office.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, there has been affidavit in opposition filed by the Railways and the Food Corporation of India, my lord. We seek to file an affidavit in reply.
On the prayer of Mr.
Lordship,
D. Rathi, my lord.
Huh?
may I please your Lordship?
Mr.
D. Rathi,
D. Rathi, on behalf of?
petitioner, my lord.
Oh, D. Rathi, learned counsel petitioner. List this matter after 3 weeks
Lordship, we have
for filing affidavit in reply.
Well-
So as to enable him to file Affidavit in reply. Mr.
Lordship, Mr. BK Singh, Standing Council FCI, his name may be shown in the cause list.
MS so and so, so and so, so and so. MS so and so.
S. Sharma, on behalf of Mr. BK
And
Singh.
appearing on of BK, Mr. BK Sharma and
KK Medi on behalf of
KK
respondent number
Medi.
1 to 3.
Lordship,
correspond are present, huh? Yes, next.
Lordship, we have also not received copy filed by Railways.
Okay, I will.
My lord, if this matter can be listed after 4 weeks, I'll be out of station during the.
4 weeks.
Much
Then
obliged.
4 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, Annexure 3, page 14, my lordship.
What is this?
Lordship, I'm for respondent number 6 and I will file additional affidavit, Lordship.
Additional affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, I'm on behalf of ABT Hawk, Lordship. I have no instruction. I have instruction to file.
Affidavit.
Lordship,
Not
opposition.
Mr. So and so, Land Council for the prisoner. Mr. MS on the prayer MS.
B das on behalf of ABT Hawk.
Vidas Land Council appearing on behalf of Mr.
ABT Hawk.
ABT Hawk. List this matter after 3 weeks so as to enable her to file affidavit in opposition.
Yes, Lordship.
ABT Hawk for respondent number 6, huh?
26. I'll oblige, my lordship.
Lordship. I will file reply to the affidavit, Lordship.
On the prayer of so and so Land Council for the petitioner. List after 4 weeks.
Interim
In the
Lordship.
in the meantime, Land Council for the petitioner may file affidavit in reply. Interim order passed and let us continue. You have filed the affidavit?
Yes, we have.
Mr. So and so. And who else? Government is also there. BJ Talukdar. Then the district council are present. Huh?
Interim may continue, Lordship. Interim may continue, Lordship.
Interim order passed and listen. 4 weeks.
Must have passed.
Lordship, the similar matter arising out of same order has been fixed on 2 February, Lordship.
List along with
WPC
WPC?
number 408/2025.
408.
4608.
4608 of 2025.
Five.
27.
Applies.
Justification, my lord, it took some time to file an affidavit, my lord, get the instructions.
Lord, I have received instructions today, my lord. I am seeking 2 more weeks to file affidavit.
Heard Mr. M. Dutta, Land Council for the next para. Mr. I. Bhatt, Standing Council, Agriculture.
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 Assam Agriculture.
Assam
University.
Agriculture University. Land Standing Council.
Yes.
No, Standing Council. Standing Council, Assam Agriculture University. Submits that he has received the instruction to which he would like to bring on record by an affidavit. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after, fresh for listing after 3 weeks, huh? Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
Can I prefer date?
After 3 weeks. In that case, 4 weeks.
Well.
Not before.
Well.
Apply.
order of the Lauzima court. No, the non-appears for the petitioner on call. Order of Lauzima court dated 28/10/2025. No, as per the order of Lauzima court dated 28/10/2025. The petitioner or his counsel has not complied with the order for obtaining instruction regarding the present addresses of the respondent number 5, 6, and 7. And also failed to appear before the Lauzima court. Mr. Considering above, it is seen that the petitioner may not be interested to pursue the writ petition. May not be interested to pursue the, no, just wait. No, you just delete that. In the interest of justice, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
In this case, I was directed to take steps by way of Dusty service. Dusty notice has been served, but I need some time to file the affidavit of compliance.
You have taken this step?
Yes.
Mr.
A. Ganguly.
A. Danuka. Danuka, huh?
A. Ganguly.
A. Ganguly, learned counsel to the petitioner, submits that Dusty service, no, the Dusty service on the, on respondent number?
Number 4.
Oh, has been duly affected, for which he seeks some time to file affidavit to that effect. And we have let this matter listed after 3 weeks.
3 weeks. There's an interim order that we.
Interim order pass and we shall continue.
Okay.
34, adjourn. Adjourn. 34, adjourn. Okay. 33, 34, 35, adjourn. Okay. 36.
36.
Yes.
Should be possible for pending election.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is on legging in other court.
This is for what?
Your Lordship, this application is filed by the petitioner for restoration of writ petition number 13668 of 2025. It is dismissed for non-prosecution.
Who has dismissed this? This court.
Your Lordship,
Who has dismissed this?
Your Lordship, Justice Arundev Chaudhary, Your Lordship.
Huh?
AD.
Should it not go to the appropriate bench? Yes, Bora. Miss Case, can I take it up? Dismissed by Justice Chaudhary, Arun Chaudhary. No, it's a restoration. Heard MS so learned concept for the petitioner. This is an application for application seeking restoration of the WPC number 1368 of 2025. which was dismissed for non-prosecution by an order dated 25/04/2024. Issue notice referable by 2025, huh? 25/04/2025. Strongly you have mentioned 2024. Issue notice returnable by, for which the learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for submission notice upon respondent number 1 and 2 by speed post as well as usual process. Yeah?
Much obliged. Lordship, this is the third time the applicant are not appearing.
Third time. Second or third time.
Or
In
it-
IA and both the writ petition.
In IA.
IA is for what?
They have filed for rectification, correction of address and division of the respondent.
What is the matter?
Lordship,
Writ petition?
already some similar 80 matters were disposed of on 13/8/2025. Yes. And it's under FMP, Flood Management Program.
Okay. That has been disposed of.
Yes, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner. On call applicants petitioners, huh? MS so-and-so,
Tin Lung, on behalf of Water Resource.
S. Tinglung. S. Tinglung, learned
No, only Tin Lung,
Tinglung, huh? Learned counsel for
Water Resource.
Water Resources Department is present. The applicants, public petitioners remains absence for the third consecutive dates, huh, Mr. India Babu? It appears that the petitioner is no longer interested to pursue this IA as well as the WPC, as well as the writ petition. Accordingly, IA stands dismissed, closed on dismissal. No, IA stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Huh? In not writ petition, sorry, huh? Just say IA stands dismissed. Already writ petitions are already, you delete the writ petitions, huh? IA, only IA. Did not writ petition applicants and only IA, huh? Not allowed.
Obliged.
Dismissed. Dismissed for non-prosecution. Huh?
May I please?
Yes.
Well, kindly see the Lojima Court order that is 12/12/2025.
Yes.
That service in respect of respondent number 10 and 11 is complete, my lord. And my lord, in respect of respondent number 6 to 9, there is no confirmation of service.
We'll wait for that.
My lord,
We'll wait for this.
my lord, there mentioned that as there are no delivery status in the said tracking report, presumption
Heard
of
Mr. So-and-so, learned constable, in view of the Laojima Court's order 12/12/2025. Service in respect of respondent number
10 and 11
10 and 11
complete, my lord.
is complete. List of ever service reports in respect of respondent number 6 to 9, missed after 4 weeks. Yes. Office note dated 12/12/2025 indicates that notice was issued in respect of respondent number 2 in terms of the order dated 19/11/2025. However, the steps have been taken by this land council by the petitioner for notice upon respondent 10. This stuff can be avoided. Let notice be issued to the respondent number 10. Accordingly, steps be taken. Accordingly, steps be taken. List after 4 weeks.
Sorry, item 14.
14 is over.
No, there is a office note. We have taken steps.
I've said this is past that. No, we have notice was issued, wrongly issued to respondent number 2. You have to take steps for respondent number 10 only.
No, I have taken steps on everybody. That is the office note says. But the court dictated that I shall also take steps on 10. But in the order, steps on respondent number 10.
Therefore, I said notice be issued to respondent number 10 and the steps be taken. List
Already
after
there.
4 weeks.
Already there. Oblige, yes. Much oblige.
You are already there. Yes. Then what's there? Then you write item 40.
40. Already in the record.
Art Mr. So and so land council. You record that same, that will remain, huh? Office note so and so, that will remain, but you said, how about Mr. MS so and so enters, no, since Miss MS so and so enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 10, no notice is required to be sent on behalf of respondent to respondent number 10. You have furnish the copy.
Submitted in the office. I will
You have received. You furnish the copy.
Yes, sir.
Item 34.
What is this?
Lordship, all the. Sir, as per Lozima Court order dated 25/11/2025. The Lordship kindly fix the matter in adjournment column.
Admission.
Admission column.
So notice served.
Yes, Lordship.
All the notice completed. Service completed.
That Lozima court report is there.
As per the order of Lozima Court dated 25/11/2025, services in respect of respondents have been served, have been deemed to have been deemed served, huh? Accordingly, service. Services in respect of the response are completed. This for admission hearing after 4 weeks. No, you just said, this, you check it from here. Services in the notice of service in respect of respondent number. Services in respect of 3.2, you just check this, This is, has been given. In respect of respondent number 1.1 and 8.1 and 8.2. Same is deemed to have been served, accordingly, stands. And the services are complete. The first one will be, first loan respondent will be, have been served, And second one, 8.1 and 8.2 is deemed to have been served, Accordingly.
Obligation.
Call.
Lordship, some deliberations are going on between petitioner association and the authority also. So I pay for some time.
So, it's a part hard. We have heard it. What deliberation? Negotiating.
Negotiation, as it appears me.
2019. Hard MS. So really release from part hard, It's of no use. It doesn't look nice, keeping it for a long time, Hard MS. M. Nerula Land Council for the petitioners. No, it has already been released. It is not a part hard.
Today it is not in part.
It's not a part of the.
Earlier this was part hard.
It is not mentioned.
Yeah, I think it's not part hard.
Today it's
No, earlier also it was not part hard.
on earlier occasion it was part hard, Lordship.
When?
Last year, Lordship.
Somewhere I remember. No, there is no part hard. No order for part. Anyway, we'll say, Mr. B.J. Talukdar, London State Council, by placing the communication dated 18/12/2025. Submits that a meeting has been convened with the petitioners to ascertain the grievances of the petitioner. And the respondents are actively reconsidering the issues therefore seeks sometime. Therefore first for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Prayer not being objected to by Land Council for the petitioner MS M. Nirola. That this matter will be listed after 3 weeks. The copy of the communication that is so is kept on record and marked as document X.